You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeungwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Action! Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is Ivy Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, we are currently on Oxford Street in Osu, and we're going to be trying out the street food. I'm so excited. Since I came, I've tried just 2 Ghanaian food and I'm ready. My body is itching for more. That's how much I love the one I ate before. So we're going to be trying out the street food. I don't know what we're going to be trying. As we're walking, wherever I see food, I move. So if I see food here, I move. If I see food there, I move. Anywhere food is, I move. So right now we're going to be checking out a store behind me. I saw it and I was like, street food, let's go. Okay, this is the store I'm talking about, so let's check it out.
Never seen a girl like you. 10 to 1, that's the countdown. She's about to explode and can't stop fusion. My girl, she's bad, she's #1. I've never seen a girl like you. That girl.
Hello. Hi. Do I use lips? Yeah, okay, yes. Okay. It's safe. Yeah. Waakye. Oh, not yet. Okay, yeah.
Continue to wind up. Come in, never seen a girl like you. Never let go wine. Time bomb. A body fire. Time bomb. She my desire. Time bomb. We lose control. Explosion. Sexy but.
Okay, yeah. This, yeah. What's that? Okay. Okay.
I just wanna love you. Share with me your problems. Girl, you are the type of girl a bad man feel. Lean on me. My girl, you're the only one for me. You're the only thing I see.
How much is it? Everything?
8 cities.
8 cities. Okay, no problem. Okay, let me take off my glasses so you guys can take me seriously. So guys, this is called Waakye, and it has beans. Well, I feel like it's just like white beans, not porridge beans. So you have beans, you have spaghetti, you have a bit of veggies, so that's like onions, carrots and green pepper, I believe. You also have gari, very interesting, and you have the stew, and I opted for a piece of meat. So now let's go and enjoy it, and I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents to see if I like it or not. So let's go.
Time bomb, be my desire. Time bomb, me lose control.
Oh my god, finally. I can't seem to save my life. But finally guys, we're going to be trying Waakye. It's not Waakye, it's Waakye. And I don't know if you guys heard me earlier, but basically this is one of their local food. Oh, there's rice in it. Okay, there's also rice in it. So without further ado, I feel like I've been rambling too much and I need to try this food. So yeah, let's do it. I'm excited. Oh my god. So I have a bit of everything on my spoon. This is so good. So good. I can't even explain how it tastes, but then it's good. Like, wow. The combination of everything. Wow. Winnie, you need to try this. Like, you actually need to try this. It's so good. So good. Wow. 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 Wow.
WIZKID.
Yo, we demolished this food. We demolished. I can't even take myself seriously, guys. We finished this food. It was so good. So some things I would like to tell you guys about this particular place. This is what the store looks like, as you can see, and they do delivery. So in case you want to order rice and waakye, Waakye. If you're in Osu, Ghana, then they definitely deliver. So definitely they deliver 24 hours to you if you live in Osu, Accra. So just bear that in mind. And right now, we're going to our next street food joint. So now that we're done eating Waakye, let's be on the hunt for more street food, because like you can never have enough. Like honestly, you can never have enough.
My defense, shut down, come and tell me love. Shut down, come and tell me love. Don't keep me waiting and anticipating. Let's ginger the swagger so we can be lovers.
You whine, you let me go gaga. You let make me lose my mind. You let me go gaga. You whine, you let me go gaga. You let me lose my mind. You let me go gaga. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's Wizzy and Whiskey. And the beat is not fast, not this year. Let your mother know. Baby dance and move it lucky. It's Wizzy and Whiskey. On the beat is not fast, not this year. Say don't let your father know. Baby dance and follow me lucky.
So guys, we just finished drinking it and it was so good. But then again, it's different from the one in Nigeria, the smaller coconut. The other one is smaller, but this one is tasty. And I asked him where he gets it from and he said Cape Coast. So each coconut costs 2 cedis, 50 pesos. And yeah, it was so good. Off to our next store. Hey guys, so we're at the next street food joint and I'm going to be trying fish. That's all I see. So anyway, yeah, what type of fish is this? So this is called red fish. And then what about the smaller one? Amai. Okay, this is called Amai Kitwa. And this is red fish. So how much is the red fish? We're gonna have the one for 4 cedis. Yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. So right now we're going to sit so we can quickly eat this and be on to the next street. So whenever you buy red fish, they put it in a transparent nylon for you with onion and a bit of tomato, and you also have pepper in another nylon. So we're going to be using this plate to offload everything, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. Oh wow. So guys, this pepper is not cooked. It's basically blended and put straight into a transparent nylon for you. That is quite interesting because in Nigeria, when you buy stuff on the street and they give you pepper, it's definitely cooked and fried. So anyway, let's try it and I'll let you know if I like it. I feel like I might have an issue with the pepper though, but let's try it. It's actually not bad. Second bite.
Being when they gonna sign the check, one name will
We just finished eating. That's what it looked like. To be honest, when it comes to the pepper, it wasn't that bad. I thought it was going to taste really sour and really off because I was like, raw pepper, why? And the pepper is not even like overbearing, just a little kick and that's it. So yeah, I enjoyed it. It was good. I really love the red fish, by the way. I've had it before anyway, so I really love the red fish. But I just found it a bit weird with the sauce. But yeah, regardless, it's still good. This cost, how much was this again? 4? Yeah, 4. This cost 4 cedis, just 4 cedis. And I'm gonna leave the conversion on the screen. Anyway, I'm about to wash my hands now and we're off to our next street. Ooh.
My pastor then tell me say, Money is the root of all evil. Money is the root of evil. But I gave you money, collect them. I gave you dollar, collect them. Money is the root of.
The lady was quite rude, but that's okay. Okay guys, so finally my food is here. And here we have banku. Here we have shiton. We have green pepper. And we have some veggies, which includes green pepper, green peas, and onion. So I'm about to try it now, and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Finished having banku, and to be honest, it wasn't my favorite. What about you?
God, I didn't understand the taste. The look of the food festival was confusing. I was like, what is going on?
I'm telling you, because like I showed you guys, it was banku with the black pepper called shiton and the green pepper and the veggies. So I wasn't really sure how to eat it. Like basically, is it like Ghanaian soup, or rather eba and soup, or what? But then again, like, and the lady was quite rude. But apart from that, the food tasted, it has this sour taste, so it's a bit slappy when you try it. Yeah. And I think that's because of the shiton. That's because of the shiton. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the street food I shared with you guys today. The street food we ate, because definitely we ate this food together, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be ending the video here, sadly, but thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you all so much. Bye.